Are you still missing targets and can't figure out why? Think you've fixed the basics but your shots still aren't landing? Welcome back to the channel. In part 1, we exposed 5 common mistakes that could be silently ruining your clay shooting game. If you missed it, go check it out. Today we're diving into 5 more crucial errors that might be holding you back. Whether you're just starting out or fine-tuning your technique, these tips could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Number 1. Overlooking the importance of gun fit. Let's start with something many shooters ignore, but it can make or break your success: shotgun fit. Even if your aim and timing are on point, a poorly fitted shotgun can cause frustrating misses. Your shotgun should feel like a natural extension of your body, comfortable, balanced, and easy to control. When the fit is off, your accuracy and consistency take a hit, no matter how good your fundamentals are. Key factors to check include the length of pull, comb height, and how the stock sits in your shoulder. If you're frequently adjusting your stance, lifting your head to see the target, or struggling with comfort, it's likely your shotgun isn't right for your build. How to fix it? Gun fitter for a custom setup if possible. Or try DIY adjustments like adding spacers, cheek pads, or using an adjustable stock. Pro tip: a properly fitted shotgun helps you mount quicker, track targets more smoothly, and shoot with greater confidence. Number 2. Ignoring weather conditions. Here's a big one many shooters overlook: the impact of weather. Most people only train in perfect conditions, but real-world shoots rarely offer ideal weather. Wind, rain, and harsh sunlight can all dramatically affect how clay targets fly. For instance, a strong crosswind can push a target off its usual path, making it appear faster or drift unpredictably. If you're not prepared for that, you'll miss shots you'd normally hit. How to fix it? Provision train in different weather, windy, rainy, or bright days, to improve adaptability. Adjust your lead based on wind direction and speed. Learn how weather influences the flight path so you can respond instinctively. Pro tip: in a left-to-right wind, aim slightly more to the right to compensate. It's all about anticipating the shift and staying calm under changing conditions. Number 3. Not visualizing the target's path. One habit that separates average shooters from top performers is visualizing the target's flight path before it appears. Many beginners simply react once the clay is launched, but the best shooters prepare mentally in advance. Before you even call pull, try to picture the path the target will take, its speed, arc, and the ideal breakpoint. This kind of mental rehearsal gives you a valuable head start, making your movements smoother and your shots more confident. How to fix it? Rush at few targets before starting your round to study their behavior. Duplicate that mental image to plan your stance, swing, and timing ahead of time. Pro tip: visualizing each shot before it happens can significantly boost your reaction time and precision. Train your mind to see the flight path before it's real, and your body will follow with better results. Number 4. Forgetting to practice trigger control. It may seem simple, but poor trigger control is a common reason shooters miss, even when their aim and timing are solid. Under pressure, many fall into the habit of jerking or slapping the trigger, which can ruin your swing and throw off alignment at the last moment. The goal is to develop a smooth, controlled trigger pull that doesn't interfere with your movement or focus. Like every other part of your shot, trigger control should feel natural and consistent. How to fix it? Fry fire practice, with an unloaded gun, is a great way to build control and awareness. Focus on a relaxed, steady finger movement that doesn't disturb your mount or target tracking. Pro tip: practice in front of a mirror. Watching your mount and follow through while dry firing helps reinforce proper form and builds the muscle memory you need for confident, clean shots. Number 5. Letting mental distractions take over. Your mindset can make or break your performance, even if your technique is perfect. Mental distractions like nerves, frustration, or overthinking often lead to inconsistent shooting. One missed target can easily turn into several if you don't regain control quickly. Even seasoned shooters fall into this trap. That's why staying calm and focused between each shot is so important. Learning to reset your mind helps prevent one mistake from affecting the rest of your round. How to fix it? Chocolate a short mental routine before every shot. Take a deep breath, adjust your posture, and visualize a perfect hit. Pro tip: develop a simple mental checklist. Breathe, posture, focus. Repeat it before every shot. This not only clears your head, but also builds consistency and confidence over time. And that's it. 5 simple fixes that can take your shooting from frustrating misses to consistent hits. Whether it's gun fit, focus, or trigger control, small changes make a big difference. Which mistake are you fixing first? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more tips to sharpen your game. Until next time, keep your eyes up, stay focused, and keep those targets breaking.